bike in neutral, turn the engine over by hand and feel for the compression stroke, and keep pushing on the kickstart lever until you feel it get to the top of that stroke. Then you know your bike's in the right position to adjust the cam chain tensioner. On the left side of the bike, the cam chain tensioner is located right there below the shifter. In order to make the adjustment, you'll need a 10 and a 12 millimeter wrench. First, put the 12 millimeter wrench on there and break loose the lock nut. Then take the 10 millimeter wrench and crack the retaining bolt for the cam chain tensioner loose. There's a spring inside that puts the proper tension on the cam chain. And all you have to do is tighten the 10 millimeter nut back up. And then tighten up the lock nut. And now your cam chain tensioner has been properly adjusted. Let's fire this bike up and see how it sounds. Burn like a cake. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.